Hi, I'm Molly Barrows, and welcome to this edition of Marketplace 5. I'm sitting down with personal injury attorneys Rachel Gilmer and Brett Vygotsky with the Levin Papantonio firm, one of the oldest and most established firms in Pensacola, certainly successful. And Brett, when someone's been injured in an accident, at what point do they need to call a personal injury attorney?
They need to call that attorney immediately because knowledge is very important and powerful for that individual to have. At that point, the attorney will go over their case, let them know whether or not they have a case, and if they do, they need to hire the attorney immediately because there's witnesses that need to be interviewed, evidence that needs to be preserved, because those things can fade away very quickly.
And Rachel, when someone comes to you, often it's because they've been injured in a car accident. The state of Florida is a no-fault car insurance state. What does that mean?
Yeah, it's a unique law to Florida, and what that means is if you are in a car accident, no matter who is at fault, if you have Florida auto insurance, then you have Florida no-fault benefits, and that means your own insurance company pays first when it comes to your medical bills and your lost wages. Your insurance company pays 80% of your medical bills and 60% of your lost wages up to $10,000. You have to meet certain benchmarks, provide certain documentation to get those full benefits, but as long as you do that, then your auto insurance is going to be the first to pay.
And do you ever have a claim or pursue a claim against the person who caused the accident?
Yeah, absolutely. You do have a claim against the at-fault driver or their insurance company, and that insurance company is responsible for paying really the 20% balance of your medicals that your insurance company isn't paying, the 40% balance on your lost wages that your insurance company isn't paying, and then 100% of your medical bills and lost wages related to the accident after your no-fault benefits run out. Okay, they're also responsible for paying pain and suffering, inconvenience of just being involved in a car accident if you qualify for that. Florida law says that you have to have a doctor's opinion that you have a permanent injury from the car accident in order to get anything for pain and suffering or inconvenience. If you qualify for that, the at-fault driver or their insurance company is responsible for those damages as well.
There's so much to consider in cases like this. Brett, what should someone look for in hiring a personal injury attorney?
You need to look at the firm's reputation. Our reputation at Levin Papantonio is known both locally and nationwide. We are recognized as one of the winningest firms in the country, and I believe it's that reputation that helps us when going against the insurance defense attorneys and adjusters representing insurance companies.
Excellent. That's why I've got such a successful record. Well, thank you both so much for joining us today. And if you'd like to make an appointment with either Brett or Rachel or talk to anyone at the firm, just go to levinlaw.com or you can give them a call at 1-800-277-1193. I'm Molly Barrows. Thank you so much for joining us on this edition of Marketplace 5.